Brothers and sisters, you've been honored and favored. Wake up every single morning with that dignity. Wake up every single morning with that honor. Wake up every single morning. I don't care who laughs at you. I don't care who mocks at you. I don't care who makes fun of you. I don't care who calls you names. I don't care what they do against you. That there is nothing that can strip you from the honor that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you as a Muslim. Stand on that honor with your head held high, that we are Muslims, alhamdulillah. And our legacy as an ummah is that you can put us through hardship, you can put us through difficulties, you can put us through tests, you can strip our rights, you can strip our freedoms, you can strip everything away from us, but the one thing that you cannot take away from us, which is the most honored and valuable possession that we have as Muslims, is my deen, is my Islam, and it's here in my heart, and you can't have it. You can't have it. Only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who gave it to me, can take it away from me.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.